Omicron cases. Close to 200 contacts have been identified. Some of them have tested positive, and they also have been taken up for sequencing. And furthermore, their primary contacts, etc., are also being traced. So we would only like to convey through your media to the people that one, they must wear masks at all time. Mask basically cut down the transmission, and that is what is required. As we know that Omicron may be more transmissible as compared to the earlier strand or earlier strain of the virus. Second thing is that if they take vaccination, it helps to cut down the severe infections, severe cases, and hospitalizations. So this is also a second message that we would like to give. These are all simple things that one can do. As far as the BBMP is concerned, we are taking up very extensive contact tracing, containment zones, and also we are issued advisories to apartments and also to the cinema halls and malls, etc., etc. So, so as to see that greater vigil and greater care and attention is taken to screen the people who get into these public places.
How many labs for testing?
See, Government of India, there is a grouping called INSACOG, and INSACOG has recognized almost 4 labs, and they are increasing the number, and these are all government in the government domain. Besides that, there are private labs also that are taking it up. I'm sure that as medical science is getting better to detect the virus, more number of labs will come up to do the sequencing. But sequencing is there only for positives. You see, we are testing close to 40,000, 35,000 people every day. Of them, the positives are coming out to be close to say around 150 to 200. Of this 150, 200, we are identifying some of them with high viral load which require sequencing. International arrivals from high-risk countries, anybody turning positive, invariably it is going for sequencing. Yes.
So how much fines being collected, sir, this after the implementation of public?
Fines are regularly being collected. Crores of rupees have been collected in respect of fines. But what is important is that people should cooperate. People should take it as a social responsibility to wear masks and to observe COVID appropriate behavior.